Hello children. In this story, His First Flight by Liam O'Flaherty, we are going to study about a young bird who is a seagull who is learning to take his first flight. Here I have written in quote to make you better understand about the theme of the story. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. We all know that to reach somewhere we need to start. And this seagull, along with his siblings, was learning the art of flying. The parent seagulls were teaching all the children how to fly, but there was this young seagull who was standing on a ledge, means he was standing on a platform, and he was scared to take his first flight. He was scared to fly in the air for the first time. He thought that his wings would not support him, and he will fall down. Now children, this was all in his mind. That the fear of unknown was in his mind, that he might fall down. But we all know that it was a seagull, it was a sea bird, and the birds are meant to fly. They will never fall down if they are flying in the sky. So the parents tries to threaten him by saying that they will leave him away, they will not give him food and he will have to starve. And even he was disheartened when he saw that his siblings who are having shorter wings than him are learning how to fly, are learning different techniques of flying, but he cannot even try. So the parents scolded him, they threatened him, they kept him hungry for almost a day. And now 24 hours were passed, he could not learn how to fly, he could not try to fly, and he was without food, and so he tried to catch the attention of the family members, of the other seagulls, parent seagull and his siblings. But each and every seagull was busy doing some or the other thing. They were learning new and new techniques of flying. But there was this mother seagull. Now we all know that mothers have a very soft heart. So there was this mother seagull who looked at her baby seagull and she was feeling very pity for him, because for almost a day, for almost 24 hours, the seagull had not eaten anything. He was depressed, he was tensed. So to catch the attention of the other seagulls, this young seagull, tried to pretend to be unconscious. When the mother caught his attention, she came flying towards him with a fish in his beak, with a fish in her beak. And she just flew towards him. Now this seagull was also excited. Finally he will get something to eat. His mother will lend that fish from her mouth to his mouth, and he will fill his stomach. But he was shocked to see, or rather he was maddened by the hunger when he saw that the mother just stopped in midway. And he completely forgot about his fear of flying, and he just took his first flight to catch that fish which was inside the mother's beak. And this is how, students, this seagull took his first flight. To catch the fish from his mother's beak, he forgot, he was hungry, he forgot that he was having this fear, he forgot that he was scared to take his first flight. So he was just up in the air now, he was flying, he was soaring high up in the sky without any fear. He was no more frightened, he understood that his wings are supporting him, he is not going to fall down. And the whole family celebrated his victory. And then they had a feast at the end of the day when he finally took his first flight, when that fear was out of his mind and now he was no more scared, he was no more fearful about flying. Children, here we can compare this story with a small baby who is learning to walk, who is learning to take his first steps. The baby first learns to sit, then he learns to crawl, then he learns to stand holding something, and then he stands himself on his own legs, and then he starts walking. He falls down, but then he again starts walking, and finally he runs and he takes parts in the races and he wins the race. So this is a journey of a small baby from crawling to walking and then running. Similarly, in this story, this was a journey of a young seagull, a bird who was learning how to fly. Many times in our lives also we face such fears. These fears are called as fears of unknown. The fear of not having that experience, the fear of not knowing what will happen next. But then we will only know it if we do it. And so finally, when the young seagull took his first flight, it was a celebration time for the family. They had a party, and because the seagull was hungry for almost a day, the entire family, all the seagull, parent seagulls and the sibling seagulls, gave him a feast, and they gave him their fishes to eat. This is how the story ends. I hope you are clear with the story, and I hope you have got the moral of the story. Thank you so much.